Yeah, class 1 piffle, still a pole, 14.
My name is Lexi Markutsits.
I'm Daniel.
My name is Caiden Dwyer. So we are remeasuring plots that have been here for about 25 years. And basically we are measuring things like tree heights, sizes, diameters, and then fuels, which is going to be basically all of the stuff on the ground that can catch fire, to do some fire modeling stuff.
The laser helps plot the distance from the center to all the trees.
The main thing I collect is DBH, which is diameter breast height. And so for me, it's about right here. And so I just get that and I do it around the tree and then I read off the number. We're looking for density in the canopy. We're looking for animals, diseases, pathogens, just kind of overall how it's doing. If it's doing good, declining. We have different codes for how the tree's doing.
Yeah.
I do love fieldwork seasons. This is my second one, and I love being out here in the forest. It's really beautiful, and just seeing all the different kind of ecosystems and different ways that they kind of persevere through fire and other factors that we've seen out here. A lot of different things on the peaks.
I've been in the ERI for going on 2 years now, and I got into ecology through family. Today we are participating in a project that's been going on for 20 years now, monitoring the San Francisco peaks. That includes a lot of overstory measurement, where we gather all the details you would ever want to know about the trees on these plots, as well as fuels and other more understory measurements like regen, which is very important when it comes to understanding how the forests are growing or how they're recovering to fires or other change. And the angle finder plots the angle from north. And the great thing about the angle finder is we all have compasses, but this helps keep consistency down to just one measurement. So all I have to do is be very accurate with my first setting of the north, and from there it keeps a very accurate tally of the angle what all trees are at.
This is my second summer with the ERI. I've been with them for a little bit longer, but I am I work with them full-time as a student research assistant. I'm on computer today, which means I'm doing all of the data entry. I am basically being told all of the information that everyone else is collecting. I also do a little bit of helping out with finding out which trees are where, because all these trees should have been previously tagged if they were here 25 years ago, but what happens a lot of the time is they lose their tags or their nails, so I have the access to plot maps and past information that I can refer back to help out with that. This project is super important because these plots are basically all over this side of the mountain, which means that they follow the elevational gradient all the way up almost to tree line. So it goes all the way from Ponderosa Forest up to Mixcon where we are, and then all the way up to Bristlecone, which is the highest elevation tree we have up here. And it just captures a really awesome diversity across the mountain and all of the changes that have been happening over the years. Thanks.